Hello and welcome to Art Day Wednesday. My name is Leandra and today's craft is entitled Painting with Nature. Today's form of art is called printmaking. Printmaking is a form of art where you transfer one image to another. Today we'll be doing a leaf craft. Alrighty, let's get started. So the materials we'll be using are leaves. I would suggest that you guys pick leaves outside that has a texture to it. Ones that are not too dried out. You'll need ink. We have some printing ink. You can use acrylic paint as well. You'll need a brayer. You'll need plexiglass, and we have two types of plexiglass. We have a larger piece that we're using for our background, and we have a smaller piece that we're using for our leaves. You'll need paper. I would suggest that you guys use some newspaper print, or newspaper will be fine, so that you can keep your surface, clean. And we also have some napkins in case you make a mess. Alrighty.
We already mix ink, two colors for background. And we try to create something like this. So this is already mixed, so just to set aside. Now I'm gonna make gold color for printing leaf. So use rollers and mix ink till get a smooth and sticky texture. Okay, we're gonna use paper and plexiglass. Paper needs to be a little bit bigger than plexiglass. So then, first, use roller and the background color to start putting color on plexiglass. Pick up more paint. Okay, now it's ready to ink leaves. So we're gonna use this today. Use gold paint. Okay, now I put enough gold paint. Place on So now ready to put paper on top, just to make sure and the press gently. Then remove paper. So this is finished piece.
What an exciting and fun craft that we did today. Here are some examples that we did here at the gallery. As you can see, each one of our images has texture, it has the background, and it's done in its own cute little way. I hope you had as much fun as I had doing this craft. See you next time.